Hey, make a wish.
Again, happy birthday to you.
Give it a second time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lainey. Happy birthday to you. Wow.
Blow.
Yay.
Okay, look here, Lainey.
Lady smile, yeah. Okay.
All right.
Wait, let me give her her gift. Excuse me.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thanks, Grace.
Wait now.
One more, Lainey.
Lainey, this is from
Come close by.
Uncle, Auntie,
Not out of gas.
There you go.
Joshua, Andy, and Isaiah.
How I know the
There
church
you
is
go.
making like
Just
electronics
gonna
work.
open that first. Wow, take her this with what you call their gift, because they're gonna ask. What does it say, Lainey?
Read it for us.
Oh, how cute!
Okay, you read it for us.
Read it for us.
Olula.
Oh, Hawaiian.
Happy birthday, Lainey. Wishing you a love, laughter, and the happiest birthday. Love, Joshua, Andy, and
Isaiah.
it doesn't say Isaiah.
Oh, it doesn't say Isaiah. Oh.
I guess he can't
Oh.
sign.
Okay. Show us the check.
$100.
Wow! Oh, show it like this, and then they can see that she received it.
You can show
The
it out.
card too.
Got to.
Yes, there.
Okay, good.
Oh, cute. Yeah, that's nice.
Okay.
Okay. This is from Grandpa and Grandma. Here, open the gift here. There you go.
Who's that from?
This is Grandpa and Grandma. Yeah.
Big heart.
Yeah, it's a beautiful
Granddaughter, birthday wishes with love.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
How much you got?
170.
Oh.
How come so
No,
much?
Okay.
because
Okay, gonna read it.
Dear Lainey, for every candle on your cake, here's a wish for a day feeling really special because you are. A wish for a year, filled with dreams come true because you deserve them too. And a wish for all the happiness in the world because nothing is too good for a wonderful granddaughter like you. Happy birthday. With love, Grandma and Grandpa Misaka.
okay,
Okay,
try
you hold-
open the gift.
No, you hold that pen. Okay, hold. Straight.
Okay.
Okay, next one.
Yeah, try open
Where's
this.
this one from?
That's us.
Oh.
Yeah. You want a scissors? It's more fun to just move.
It's not like you can really save the wrapping paper.
No.
Ooh.
Happy birthday wrapper.
Ooh.
Oh, do you like it?
Hold it up, Lainey.
Yeah.
More
Maria?
jewelry.
Maria?
I have something like
Yeah,
that.
you do,
I
huh?
have the double one.
Oh.
that's good.
And then I have a pink one.
Oh, now you have a
Plain one.
plain one.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Now the
The cake now.
Oh, Ralph
That's
will.
full.
I'm gonna wait.
okay.
Take a bit.
Okay, then where's your cell phone? We gotta call. Or shall I use mine?
We use yours.
Oh, Grandpa.
Okay.
Happy birthday, sweets.
Hey guys, Uncle Brian called
Oh.
Say happy birthday, sweets.
an hour ago.
No,
I
that's
said,
not,
oh.
no, that's not right.
Hey Lainey, do you want to call Uncle Brian back?
Say bye, Lane.